What are the assumptions of a perfect economy according to marginal productivity theory? Option A, perfect knowledge. Option B, perfect mobility of factor of production. Option C, full employment of all the resources. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. According to the wage fund theory, if the fund is large, wages should be dash. Option A low, option B high, option C same, option D independent. Correct answer is option B high. What are the elements of a good wage plan? Option A, wage plan should be fair and justifiable to the employees. Option B, it should not minimize work satisfaction. C, it should be very high. Option D, it should be low. Correct answer is option A, wage plan should be fair and justifiable to the employees. Subsistence theory of wage is also called as option A, iron law of wages, B, Cropper law of wages, option C, Still law of wages, option D, Gold law of wages. The correct answer is option A, iron law of wages. Entrepreneur rights are criticized by which theory? Option A, residual claimant theory, bargaining theory of wages, option C, marginal productivity theory, option D, wage fund theory. Correct answer is option A, residual claimant theory. Equal pay for equal worker has been recommended by which committee? Labor tribunals, option B, minimum wage committee, option C, both, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both. Wage rate is dash. Wage rate equal to wage fund, total number of workers. Wage rate equal to total number of workers, wage fund. Both can be used, none can be used. Correct answer is option A, wage rate equal to wage fund into total number of worker. What will happen if the wages remain below sustainable level? Option A, death rate will fall. Option B, death rate will increase. Option C, supply of labor will increase. Option D, labor will be able to maintain family. The correct answer is option B, death rate will increase. Subsistence theory of wages is based on which assumption? Law of diminishing return application to industry. There is a slow increase in population. There is a high increase in population. Population will remain same. The correct answer is option A. The law of diminishing return applies to industry. In order to increase the average wages, the number of workers asking for employment should be dash. Increase, reduce, should be altered. Option D equal. The correct answer is option B, reduce. There are dash type of incentives plan. Option A 4, option B 6, option C 8, option D 10. Correct answer is option D 10. Dash is the simplest and oldest type of incentive plan. Option A, team or group incentive plan. Option B, piecework plan. Option C, Savlon plan. Option D, gain sharing plan. The correct answer is option B, piecework plan. Dash is also called as merit race. Option A, merit pay. Option B, incentive for salespeople. Option C, ESOP. Option D, profit sharing plan. Correct answer is option A, merit pay. ESOP stand for Employee Stock Order Plan. Option B, Employee Stock Ownership Plan. Option C, Employee Stock Ownership Plan. Option D, Employer Stock Order Plan. The correct answer is option B, Employer Stock Ownership Plan. There are dash type of wage differentiate. Option A 3, option B 5, option C 7, option D 9. Correct answer is option B 5. Dash standards are stated in terms of a standard number of minutes per unit or a standard number of units per hour. Option A, work. Option B, production. Option C, performance. Option D, employee. Correct answer is option B, production. Dash mostly rely on sales commission, which may differ from organization to organization. Option A, product compensation. Option B, profit sharing compensation. Option C, sales compensation. Option D, pay related compensation. Correct answer is option B, profit sharing compensation. In Dash plan, the most of the employee receive a share of the company profit. Option A, profit sharing plan. Option B, gain sharing plan. Option C, commission plan. Option D, piecework plan. Correct answer is option A, profit sharing plan. Dash plan is one in which all the employees are engaged in a common effort to achieve the company productivity objective. Option A, combination plan. Option B, salary plan. Option C, commission plan. Option D, gain sharing plan. Correct answer is option D, gain sharing plan. Dash have a great economic and social significance. Option A, technology. Option B, wage differential. Option C, incentive. Option D, theory of wages. The correct answer is option B, wage differentials. Dash equals to wage fund divided by total number of worker. Differential of wages. Differential average wage. Option C, wage rate. Option D, demand wage. The correct answer is option C, wage rate. Dash should be linked directly and clearly to the individuals or group. Option A, opinion. Option B, promotion. Option C, salary. Option D, reward. The correct answer is option D, reward. Short-term bonus can easily result in plus or minus adjustment of dash or more in total pay. Option A, 25%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 15%. Option D, 35%. The correct answer is option A, 25%. In dash plan pay system, the worker receive a set of payment for each piece produced or proceed in a factory or a shop. Option A, earning at risk. Option B, straight piece work plan. Option C, gain sharing plan. Option B, scale-on plan. The correct answer is option B, straight piece work plan. Dash are paid on short term and long term. Option A, wages. Option B, taxes. Option C, incentives. Option D, technology. The correct answer is option C, incentive. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for next part. Thank you.